Okay, so we're just going to use a metal edging. This stuff is made by Tile Ready. And I should mention, all of these products, I mean not all the products, but all the tile and the edging and obviously the whole waterproofing system I got from Tile Ready's site. So be sure to use my links below. You can use that coupon code and get 10% off. So that's quite a considerable savings if you get all the tile and the edging all from one place. It's also kind of nice because it all gets shipped from the same place. But we're going to do this edging right alongside the curb. So we have a little bit of tile that goes right along the side. This would be a great, that having tile right here really prevents any of the drywall from getting any moisture from the shower. So we're going to go right over that transition and basically thin set this into place and just go with our laser and continue the pattern. So it's really pretty much simple on this wall because there's really nothing that we have to tile around. So let's go ahead and thin set this seam. And the edging that I got is the same thickness as the tile. So I find it easier just to be able to shim things behind it and then just caulk against the drywall. If you can get this bigger, you can get this 1/2 inch if you wanted to, but I think having it the same width is a better, it ensures that you're not going to overhang the tile.
Radiator and now the window. You're close to so much.
Level. Looks pretty good. Okay, so that gives us an indication where we need to go to. And what I normally like to do is just start with a full tile on the outside and work my way in. And so that way I can have a half full piece and it'll line up very nicely with this. And then all the cut marks are basically in that corner. The first cut's obviously going to be the most complicated one because we got to go around the curb. 9 1/4. 9 1/4. Yeah, so we're going to rip this down 10 3/4 first. All right, so that wraps it up for day 3. Tomorrow we will get the plumbing wall done around the niche and get the curb ready to go. And then, yeah, we're ready for grouting. So that's going to be probably 4 days between tearing out the tub, completing the tile, and then we can grout. And then, yeah, 6th day we'll get into the glass shower doors. So very easy. I tell you what, if you start doing this every day as a contractor, you'll get much quicker. I'm a little rusty. It's been a while, and you know, my tools still work great, but it's just a matter of getting into it. So I mean, really each day I've had about 6 hours each. So it hasn't really been very long days. You know, so if I would do 8 days, I'd probably even get further ahead. I could probably even do this other wall and, you know, really be grouting tomorrow if I really wanted to hustle. So, all right, leave a comment down below if you have any questions about your own shower. Love to help you out, and hope you have much success in your shower surround.